Hey guys, welcome to Fulmo GraphiX channel. Today I'm gonna show you my speed art. Actually, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna show you. So, this is my concept art. It's pretty good, I think. Yeah, for a second grader. Anyway, I'll show you how it's done digitally. So, let's get to it.
I live my life on the run. I say I'm not giving up. I may be living alone, but I still believe in love. In a similar way, I feel I'm losing my conscience. Traveling for days without my knowledge of provenance. Throughout my life, you called me a renegade. Oh, wow. Through all my lows, you said we could start again, but I'm a renegade of your love. Oh, but I'm a renegade of your love.
Been on the streets a few months. I'm trying to pick myself up. I may be living alone, but I still believe in love. And although my flaws had dragged me down on the coldest night, I'm still kicking around. And then I saw you back before my time was shortened.
So, this is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit like if you liked the video, hit subscribe if you want to see more, and see you next time.